It's time to stop wasting time and start managing it effectively. In this video, we will explore practical strategies to help you make most of every moment. Tip number 1. Set clear goals. Without clear goals, it's easy to get sidetracked. Take time to define what you want to achieve, both short term and long term. This will give you direction and purpose. Tip 2. Prioritize tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Use techniques like the Eisenhower Matrix to categorize tasks based on their importance and urgency. Focus on high priority tasks first. Tip number 3. Break tasks into manageable chunks. Large tasks can feel overwhelming. Break them down into smaller, more manageable chunks. This makes them easier to tackle and helps maintaining momentum. Tip 4. Use time blocking. Schedule specific blocks of time for different activities. This helps prevent multitasking and ensure you are dedicated focused time to each task. Tip number 5. Minimize distractions. Identify common distractions in your environment and take steps to minimize them. This might involve turning off notifications, setting boundaries with others to find a quiet workspace. Tip number 6. Learn to say no. Don't spread yourself too thin by saying yes to every request. Learn to prioritize your time and politely decline commitments that don't align with your goals. Tip number 7. Take breaks. Rest and relaxation are essential for productivity. Schedule regular breaks to recharge your energy and maintain focus throughout the day. Tip number 8. Reflect and adjust. Periodically review your time management strategies to see what's working and what isn't. Be willing to adjust your approach as needed to optimize your productivity. By implementing these time management strategies, you can stop wasting time and start making the most every moment. Remember, this is a precious resource. Use it wisely. Thanks for watching. If you focus these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more productive tips. Until next time, make every moment count.